Hey guys, we're out here in Allen. We're doing two roofs side by side today. One of the keys to doing the roof right, I want to point out to you, look here, if you look right up here, we've not only taken the shingles off, but we've taken the underlayment off and we've scraped it all the way down to the decking. That way we can inspect the decking, and a lot of times there's hidden damage, rotten decking that you don't see unless you take it all the way down to the deck. So whenever you get your roof done, make sure that they scrape all of the underlayment off all the way down to the decking so that you can see the wood. Both of these homeowners, this entire neighborhood got pummeled with large hail that damaged the roof, it damaged the gutters and other things. We've come in, we're taking care of the entire claim for the homeowner. We're making it seamless and easy for them to completely renew their home and restore them back to the way they should be. You may think that having your roof replaced is just like buying a car from one dealership or the other, but it's really not. Even though the shingles all come from the same manufacturer or a small set of manufacturers, the workmanship and the process by which your roof is installed is very important. The way that we protect the property, the way that we scrape the underlayment all the way down to the decking. We use ice and water shield in all of the valleys. We use synthetic underlayment. From the beginning to the end, we want your roof to last, and we want it to protect you and your home. We want to keep your home dry. We want to keep your heads dry, and so you can maintain your peace of mind as you live your life and raise your family here in your castle. So in addition to actually doing the work, we hold your hand and work with you through the entire insurance process, whether we need to meet with your adjuster or on the front end or on the back end, communicate with them and just help walk you through the process, because most homeowners replace one or two roofs in their whole lifetime, and they're not fluent in the way that the insurance process works. It can be, you get the summary, your claim summary, and it's all of these numbers, and it's very confusing. And that's what we want to do for you, is we just want to make it easy. Our team does this every day. We know exactly what to do. We'll hold your hand, make it super easy for you.